Hello everyone. What I have here is an SMC U42. I believe that's what this is. I could be wrong though. I got this from fellow fan collector Rick Miller. He is usually on Dance with Immune's channel a lot. I got this from him from the last Fanimation group trip. So, it's a 42-inch fan. It's a low profile mount. And it came with this 3 turtle fitter on it. I believe it came with glass, but I didn't put it on this one. So yeah, so it has these 4 stencil blades, and as you can see, they're not in good cosmetic condition. I'm not really sure how they ended up that way. I don't know if they faded, if they got scratched, but the stencil over top of it is in good shape, so I'm not really sure how that happened. So this is a 3-speed electrically reversible fan, and now we'll start off on low. It has this SMC pull chain on it. I don't remember if I put that on there, if that's what this came with. So here's low. It has a pretty fast low to it, but for a 42-inch fan with a, I believe, 52-inch size motor, that's likely gonna happen. Here's low. So here's low. We'll now go up to medium speed. As you can see, there's already a very big difference between low and medium. It's already going very fast. This is faster than most fans on high speed of today. I don't see many 42-inch fans being sold today going this quick on high speed. It's moving a very good amount of air too at this speed. I believe one of the blades is slightly bent, so that's why it's a little off. This is also correct because I didn't get it screwed in all the way, but I didn't really care as long as it wasn't gonna fall. So yeah, this is medium. And now we'll go to high speed. As you can see, on high speed it flies. Moving a lot of air too. See, I got a array of bulbs there. I got an incandescent, a covered CFL, and a regular CFL. Okay, we will shut it down here. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my 42-inch SMC U42. Thank you very much for watching.